Why is Donald Trump threatening to cripple Europe's economy with 50% tariffs? And why has a US federal court just stepped in to say, enough? This isn't just another trade spat. It's a high-stakes battle between presidential power, the judiciary, and the future of transatlantic relations. Welcome to Western Relations. In late May 2025, a US federal court stunned the political world by ruling that President Trump's tariffs, imposed under emergency powers, were unlawful. These weren't minor taxes. They targeted key allies like Germany, with sweeping duties on cars, steel, and machinery. Trump had invoked the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, to justify the move. But the court said no. That law wasn't designed to support blanket trade wars with America's closest partners. Trump, of course, is not backing down. His legal team has already appealed. The appeals court has temporarily allowed the tariffs to stay, and the White House is prepared to take this all the way to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, markets are nervous, European officials are cautious, and Washington is once again caught in a tug-of-war between populism and institutional guardrails. Make no mistake, this matters deeply to Europe. A 50% tariff on EU cars would be devastating, especially for Germany. The EU welcomed the court ruling, but they know it's not over. If Trump loses in court, he may still reimpose tariffs using other legal channels like Section 301 of the Trade Act. So the question is, should Europe wait for another ruling or prepare to fight back? This is more than a legal debate. It's about how far populist leaders can stretch the law to suit their agendas. It's about whether US institutions can still check executive overreach. And for Europe, it's a wake-up call. The Transatlantic alliance is no longer guaranteed. Strategic autonomy, economic and political, might no longer be optional. If the courts don't hold the line, and if Europe doesn't prepare, the global trade order we've known for decades could collapse into pure transactional chaos. Follow us for more breakdowns of the power struggles shaping the Western world. Subscribe, share, stay alert. This is Western Relations.